School, where some middle school students performed to help raise money for charity.
Students from Middle School 180 were all aboard the Smile Train Tuesday night.
I'm happy to participate because we get to help people and perform at the same time.
Performers from the school dedicated to the arts use their talents to raise money for children in need.
When I get to step, I feel good because I'm not only doing it for myself, but I'm doing it for them too.
For the second year, students showed off their dancing and singing skills to help Smile Train. The organization provides surgeries for children with cleft lips and cleft palates.
Last year we did something really small. We raised a little over $1,700, so we wanted to help this year and do something just extravagant.
Knowing that we can be able to, raise money for them and help them get through surgery, feels very good.
The organizers hope to raise more than $5,000 for the charity, enough to help more than 20 children get the surgery.
It's so fun because it's a blessing to change somebody else's life.
And while the students managed to put smiles on the faces of everyone in attendance, they say they're most proud of the smiles they'll put on the faces of the kids who will benefit from Smile Train. Reporting from Harry S. Truman High School, Joe Messeri, News 12 The Bronx.
I'm Amber Marino.